The People Power Party has decided to conduct a sweeping overhaul of its election committee amid drastic drops in public support for its presidential candidate Yoon Suk-yeol. Yoon apologized for what he described as his shortcomings.
The PPP's election committee chief Kim Jong-in announced a plan to overhaul the committee.
국민들의 정서에 따르는 측면에서 우리 이 국민의 선대위가 하여튼 최선의 노력을 갖다 경주한다는 것을.
This is a drastic move to address an internal conflict, disputes surrounding Yoon Suk-yeol and his declining public support. It was a sudden, unscheduled announcement without discussions with Yoon. Afterwards, Yoon cancelled all his public schedules. Key figures of the committee offered to resign one after another, including committee chairs Kim Byung-jun and Lee Soo-jung. The party's floor leader Kim Ki-hyun and other parliamentary leaders also offered to resign en masse.
남 탓할 일이 아니고 바로 내 잘못이다, 내 탓이다라고 저는 생각하고 원내대표인 저부터 쇄신에 앞장서겠다는 마음을 먹었습니다.
Chair Kim Han-gil and Vice Chair Shin Ji-ae of the New Age Preparation Committee, an organization installed directly under the candidate, also stepped down. Following a 10-hour meeting, Yoon issued an apology. He said it's all his fault and he sincerely apologizes to the people.
선거에 대해서 또 많은 분들이 또 걱정하시는 거는 오롯이 후보인 제 탓이고 제가 부족한 것이고.
At the same time, he stressed it will not take a long time to complete the reform of the committee.